going to show you how to work one of these hour meters on these riding mowers. You can see this one's saying change oil now. It's because it hit a trigger. And if I hit the button once, that goes to my total hours that have been run on the machine, on the engine. And then this 3.9, that's since the last time I reset the timer. There's a timer that'll let you reset and track time on your own. To reset that, you just press and hold the button. Now it went back to 0. So I'll go ahead and toggle through again. So it says I need to have an oil change. Toggle again. I need hydraulic oil changed in, looks like it says 14.9 hours. And it looks like it needs my air filter changed now. And then I'm back to the first part, the total. So I'm going to go ahead and, I just changed my oil the other day. So I'm going to reset this by pressing and holding it. There it goes. Oil is due in 100 hours now. It's preset from the factory on this machine to do that. Hydraulic oil, that was changed not too long ago. I'm going to reset that also. Just press and hold. There it goes, a reset. Now hydraulic in 400 hours. And then my air filter, that was just cleaned out the other day. Press and hold. You gotta hold it for 5-6 seconds. It takes a little while. You'll see a bunch of zeros like that. And now my air filter is good for 100 hours. You'll want to check the air filter in 100 hours. And then one more press and I come back to total hours. So that's it. That's how you manipulate the different indicators on these hour meters used on these riding mowers. I hope that helps. Have a great day.